Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve couldn't updating right now on Monopoly Go. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go couldn't updating right now, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about Monopoly Go. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make a lot of problems or issues on your phone to fix it. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.